saying,
don't disrespect me like that. If you want to say, Anton, don't disrespect me like that, I'll respect you. But don't boss up on me because you said a lot of shit to me today that I don't fuck with either. But I let that shit ride because you don't know.
Yeah, but your level went higher than that, Anton. You went higher. Your level of disrespect went higher than his. You know for a fact, as a black man, point blank, as a black man, you do not invite anybody to your penis, or you don't tell anybody, another straight black man, about that he engages in penis sucking or whatever the case may be. You don't do that. You know that for a fact that any black man is going to go at you for a fact. And you egged this on, sir. You did. And you did it with other people as well. And I'm going to prove it later on. And it's disappointing.
You don't know me. So I'm going to extend the same respect to you. You called me out of my name. You said some wild shit, especially with regard to how would it
call this nigga out his name?
Nigga, I'm telling you that you did. You can't tell me how I get disrespected.
I got a question from bro.
Okay. No. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. We just getting loud. I ain't gonna get loud.
Then don't switch seats.
No, this my show. This my show.
That's cool, but I take that shit as a threat.
Okay, well, it is a threat.
You take it as a threat, but you didn't do anything. That's just my opinion. There's no way any man, I don't give a damn, if there's no man that's going to get within that many inches or feet or two, whatever the case may be, and I don't do nothing to him. So all that woofing, y'all just woofing at that point.
But if you calling me dick sucking, I don't dick suck, my nigga.
Man, fuck what you talking about,
I don't dick